Slightly deeper. It is a number in the 30s, 30 something, 34, 35. Oh, this one's awkward. There's no sight of it. No sign of it. Just wondering if it's on the sidewalls. I think it's something a bit bigger. This. Oh, it's deep. It's probably 6 or 7 inches down. This. Oh, it's ferrous. It's a ferrous junk at that. Well, I've not had much luck. Just aluminium, junk bits, junk bits. Sensitivity reduced to number 22. Just quieten it down. $20. It would have been a lot better, this pinpointer, if MyLab had made it a rechargeable pinpointer instead of using PP3 batteries. I can't understand why they decided to use PP3s as a battery, as a power source. It would have been a lot better if this pinpointer could have been rechargeable. They were probably trying to keep the costs down on it by just having it battery powered. That's what I'm guessing. It would have been a lot better. There's nothing worse than having to keep buying batteries for the pinpointers, or for detectors even. The rechargeable systems are much better. The XPMI4, I used to use that a lot. I still like it, that's a rechargeable one. The battery still lasts a long time on this Profine 40. It's energy efficient. But it would have been absolutely fantastic if it had had rechargeable batteries inside it. You see, if you charge a PP3 battery up, if you get a rechargeable PP3 battery, it does not charge to 9 volts. It'll probably charge to like 8.2 or 8.4 maximum. So you're not getting the proper, you're not getting much runtime on it compared to the alkaline.